V, Diamond in the Rough. How's your day going today? I am about to do drawing one of Charcoal Expressions July box, so I'll go through that one. I am absolutely ecstatic to be working on this one again. I've done two, loved it. So Charcoal Expressions, links down below to if you are interested in giving this a go. But yeah, I love this process, so I'm really enjoying it. Charcoal Expressions, so this is July 2021, and just bear with me. Image that I'm going to be working with is Stormy Night, so I'm really hanging to do that one. I had to decide whether to do Stormy Night or the Play On, but drawing one, we'll do drawing one first. Okay, so what do you get when you get the box? You actually, from Charcoal Expressions, you do get an introductory box the first time you get it, but the second box, so what I got was the book. I got two lots of the boards plus two to draw on per board, so I end up with 4 pieces of paper. So that's and I'm going to put that aside so I can have 2 goes of these. Okay, and what else was in the box was actually a new charcoal pencil and a new thing of charcoal, well, which I don't need, but I did 2 drawings. I've done 2 drawings so far, and you can actually see how much I've used, but I'll put that pencil aside and I will keep that piece of charcoal for another time because there's no point getting out something new. Okay, so that's that side of things. What I do have, I'll go through what we do need, and we will go with obviously the charcoal pencil. I have, actually that's a coloured pencil, that's not for this image, but this is what I got in the box. I'll put that aside. Charcoal pencil, a white pencil, 2 erasers, or 3 erasers. So we have a circular eraser, triangle eraser, and the kneaded eraser, which I keep in a bag. You have your 2 blending tools. You have your T-square, plexiglass, which is underneath, and my blending towel. So it's slowly getting dirtier. So without going much more further, I'm going to get stuck into this, enjoy the process, and I'm actually not going to talk it all through this one. I am just going to work through and give it to you at a reasonable speed. So what can I say? Enjoy the process. the top, but I can't. Okay, I've finished, so the next steps, it's actually quite an interesting one to do, and it was quick to do. So I'm just going to get out the hairspray and seal it. And I think I need to go that way, just so you can see what see it feels. Okay, so there we go. That is sealed. No, I will do it. I was not going to. I was going to wash my hands first. Plexiglass off. And let's grab the board. Okay, so now I've got the backing board and the plate, and here we go. Ah, he was right. One thing that Robert turns around and says is, once it's in the frame it looks even better. So it's deceiving down there because I've got so much light, but if I put it up like that, there we go. Okay, so what do you think? I absolutely love it. Love it. This came out gorgeous. I was able to, I added the extra lightning in there. Don't know how I managed to get the trees look pretty cool, but yeah. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed that process. We'll be on to the next one very shortly. Comment, like, subscribe, share, all that jazz, and